it's Rose. Welcome to my channel and welcome to Auckland, New Zealand. Come and join me in exploring the city of Auckland and the nearby towns. Auckland, New Zealand is a major city in the north of New Zealand's North Island. In the center is the iconic Sky Tower, has views of the VIADUCT Harbour, which is full of super yachts and lined with bars and cafes. CORNWALL Park, an expansive parkland in EPSON near the heart of Auckland. Surrounding the park is the HILL.IT Hill. It is an urban oasis rich with history and nature, farm life, and places to explore. This is the entrance sign to Manginangina Scenic Reserve at Bay of Islands in New Zealand. Kauri Walkway provides access to the jungle, like forest containing some of few remaining kauri trees. Kauri Walk is a 0.3-mile loop trail that features a great forest setting. The trail is primarily used for hiking and walking. This is an ancient forest with the largest kauri tree, a coniferous tree found in the northern region of New Zealand North Island. Kauri Forest Walk is located near Kerikeri. These forests combine to form one of the largest continuous tract of native forest in the northern island, 15,000 hectares.
Alright, the
Naka-video po
biggest tree.
We can even go. No,
I can embrace everything.
no,
Oh
all of
my
us
God.
cannot even go around.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's so big.
The Stone Store at Kerikeri in the Bay of Islands is the New Zealand's oldest surviving store building. Waitomo Glowworm Cave, under the green hills of Waitomo, lies a labyrinth of caves, sinkholes, and underground rivers. Boat tour through the Glowworm Grotto Marvel at thousands of magical glowworms.
Here, because you know why? It goes inside.
Yeah.